Dear students, my name is Joshua Mugabi. Subject Chemistry. Welcome to Chemistry Topical MCQs. Today we are looking at kinetic theory. Let's start our quiz. Matter is anything which has weight and occupies space. Which of the following substance can sublime? Iodine. Melting is a process by which a solid substance changes to liquid state. When ammonia gas was reacted with hydrogen chloride, a white ring formed. The chemical name of the white ring is ammonium chloride. Which one of the following will not sublime when heated? Sodium chloride. When a solid was heated, it changed to gas without passing through the liquid. The change of state is called sublimation. The process by which water vapor changes into dew is called condensation. Which one of the following substances does not sublime when heated? Copper 2 oxide. Which of the following statements is true about the kinetic theory of gases? 1. Gas molecules consist of tiny particles. 2. Gas particles collide with one another. 3. gas particles are in the state of continuous motion. 4. There is a large force of attraction between gas particles. One, 2, and 3, which are 1. Gas molecules consist of tiny particles, and 2. Gas particles collide with one another. 3. Gas particles are in a state of continuous motion. The graph shows the physical changes which took place where a solid P was heated strongly. Which one of the following represents the boiling point of P? X, Y. Dear students, thank you very much for attending to chemistry topical MCQs. We have been looking at kinetic theory. Let us meet in other chemistry topical MCQs. Thank you. Bye-bye.